Shifting focus from that to some breaking news that's coming in. A Delhi court has denied the request of Arvind Kejriwal for private consultation with a doctor. This is the latest that we are gathering. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate had claimed that there was a bid by Arvind Kejriwal to up his sugar levels so he could get bail on medical grounds. There were reports doing the rounds of the Delhi Chief Minister not seeking insulin either. AIIMS doctors were brought in. They had looked at Arvind Kejriwal's health. Several clarifications were made by Arvind Kejriwal himself. The Tihar jail authorities has also come out and put out a clarification that case was in court. What we're now understanding is that the request that was made by Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, for private consultation with his doctor, that request has now been denied by a Delhi court. The court has also asked Tihar jail to provide the requisite medical treatment. All treatment would be done via Tihar jail, and the government-approved doctors and team of specialists will be looking at Arvind Kejriwal's health. He will not get any private doctor as of now. That's what the court has ruled. This is over. Reports suggesting, or the Enforcement Directorate's plea, that the home-cooked food that Arvind Kejriwal was getting as per court orders, that was high on sugary foods. He was trying to up his sugar levels so he could get bail on medical grounds. That was the allegation that the Enforcement Directorate had made. Arunima, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details on this. What else did the court observe, Arunima?
The court first denied the request of Arvind Kejriwal for private consultation with doctors. He has been complaining that his sugar levels are spiking, his fasting sugar is spiking, and therefore he needs to consult his private doctor. He had argued that there was some private practitioner in Telangana whom he had consulted and who had put insulin reversal program, and that he needed to consult that doctor back. But the court has rejected that. The court has asked Tihar jail to provide the requisite medical treatment. Tihar jail has already released a statement saying they consulted AIIMS doctor. Arvind Kejriwal was allowed to consult the AIIMS doctor, and they did not raise anything alarming. Of course, that has been contradicted by Arvind Kejriwal himself. Aam Aadmi Party has put out a statement being attributed to Kejriwal that he did raise the question of his spiking sugar levels, and that the AIIMS doctor said that they will get back. But there is a back and forth between what Tihar jail authorities are saying and what Aam Aadmi Party is saying. What is being said by the court is the final word, that for now, no private consultation. Tihar jail authorities have been asked to do the needful.
Right, so the team of doctors that have been looking at Arvind Kejriwal, the ones that have been approved by Tihar jail, those are the ones that will continue looking at the Delhi Chief Minister. That's what the court has observed, Arunima. As far as the Enforcement Directorate's charge is concerned, we had seen allegations that had come to the fore, or rebuttals that had come to the fore from the Aam Aadmi Party about those claims. But what happens next legally?
He can go to the Supreme Court, he can go to the High Court. There are legal remedies open to him. The Aam Aadmi Party has been trying to build this case. We've seen protests happen outside Tihar jail. They're trying to build this case that it is Lok Sabha elections that are happening. First, you denied Arvind Kejriwal the chance to campaign because you're scared of his popularity. That's what Aam Aadmi Party said. Now their latest allegation is that you're trying to, quote-unquote, harm him physically, kill him. That's the kind of narrative Aam Aadmi Party has been peddling. BJP has negated those completely. Tihar jail authorities, like I told you, came on record to say that we consulted the best doctors available in AIIMS, including diabetologists, and they did not raise any alarming issues. I mean, whatever is being given to him in terms of medication will continue. The court also is of the view that there is no requirement to allow him to consult a private doctor. The backstory of all of this is the charge that Arvind Kejriwal is utilizing these mulaqats with lawyers, with family members, to try and pass on messages, to build the case that even while he's in jail, he's continuing to govern Delhi and there's no governance crisis. That, I think, is the sum total of all of this that he must not lose track of, because the LG can make a case later, maybe a week down the line, 2 weeks, but at some point the LG can make a case that the Chief Minister is behind bars and therefore governance is suffering. To avoid that situation, I think this is also a track that Aam Aadmi Party is taking. At least that's what the BJP is alleging.
Right, Arunima, thank you so much for getting us the latest. With that, it's a wrap from my side here on this edition. Thank you so much for tuning in.